How can you make talking avatars with artificial intelligence? D-iD.io. Artificial intelligence has transformed the world to a great extent. Who wants actors and cameras when you can create AI spokesperson videos with just a few clicks? An avatar is a computer-generated representation of a person, which we often see in virtual reality, online gaming, and other digital environments. Avatars can take on various forms. These can be 2D icons, 3D models, or even full-body virtual beings. Talking avatars are utilized in representing the user or to interact with other users in a virtual environment. Talking avatars makes your website, live streams, presentations, and videos engaging to the audience. You can make your own custom avatar choosing the clothing, skin color, and other physical characteristics of your preference. Talking avatars can also be programmed to display certain behaviors and emotions, making them a key tool in creating immersive and interactive virtual experiences. In virtual reality environments, avatars are used to give users a sense of presence in the virtual world and to allow them to interact with other users and objects in the environment. In online gaming, avatars are often used as the player's character and can be customized and improved over time as the player progresses through the game. If you're a game lover, you surely know the entire process. Overall, avatars are an important tool in creating human-like interactions in digital environments, and they have a wide range of applications, from social media and entertainment to training and education. There are many companies and tools available that provide some or all of these components, so you can choose to build your talking avatar from scratch or use a pre-existing platform. The choice will depend on the specific requirements of your project and the skills and resources available to you. Talking avatars can be created using deepfake technology, which is also known as deepfake-driven dialogue, D-iD. Deepfake technology uses machine learning algorithms to generate synthetic media, such as images and videos, that appear to be real but are actually fabricated. To create talking avatars with D-iD, a model is trained on a large dataset of videos and audio of real people talking. The model then uses this training data to generate synthetic audio and video of the avatar speaking. The avatar can be programmed to respond to user inputs in real time, creating a natural and interactive conversation. D-iD technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with avatars and create new opportunities for entertainment, education, and more. However, it is also important to consider the ethical implications of creating highly realistic synthetic media and the potential for misuse, such as creating fake news or impersonating others. There is no second thought about how exciting and rapidly evolving technology D-iD is, and it surely holds great promise. But it is important to approach it with caution and consider the potential consequences of its use. Making talking avatars is quite seamless, and what lies behind this ease is, again, artificial intelligence. All you need to do is integrate several key technologies. The number one we have is text-to-speech (TTS) technology. This technology helps convert written text into spoken words, which can then be used to animate the avatar's mouth and speech. The next technology you need to integrate is natural language processing (NLP) technology, which will allow the avatar to understand and respond to written or spoken input from users. This could be achieved through the use of predefined responses or through the use of machine learning algorithms to generate responses on the fly. Thirdly, you need to integrate computer vision and facial recognition. This one allows the avatar to track and respond to movements and expressions of the user, making the interaction more natural and engaging. Next, you need to integrate animation. You'll need to create animations that correspond to the avatar's movements and expressions, such as smiling, nodding, and so on. And finally comes integration. You'll need to integrate all of these technologies into a single platform, such as a chatbot or virtual assistant that can be interacted with by users. You can see how easy it is to create your own talking avatars. So enjoy making your videos engaging with D-iD.io. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon for more amazing AI content. D-iD.io